everyone. I do not want to thank you, Luis Me, for this nomination. And I am here now in Gdańsk in the channel. And I will take a swim in this beautiful. I will nominate three more people: Federico, Francisca, and Vincent. That you will have to take a bath in the next 72 hours.
If not, what should I do?
Also, yeah, if not, you will have to pay all my drinks for one night.
That will be a lot, people. Oh, okay. Sorry, people.